Here's Dots Memories app. It's a new app which started to get in some traction here in the App Store. Save your memories with unlimited storage. Create shared albums for your memories or events. Your memories automatically arranged in order, saved by creation date. See and interact with your memories. Custom events by stages. So save your story without storage limit. Create albums for your most special memories and events. So 5 reasons for using Dots Memories. You'll finally find your memories. Your photos and videos will automatically be organized by the date you took them. Easy to use. Experience your most special memories by swiping calendar. Unlimited storage. Your events without losing any memory. You control your privacy. Share with your most beloved ones. So you can use this app to save memories of the wedding, keep memories of the children. So go keep all the beautiful moments with the partner organized. It's kind of like an alternative to Google Photos, I would say. It says that it has unlimited storage. I don't know how is that possible, but maybe they just have some introductory offer. So here you can just tap to see all memories. So for example, this is just some kind of photo here. You can just do high quality download. You can share it. You can delete memory, and that's basically it. So you can just see all of these details in like July, whatever, each month. You can just go and upload some photo. You can just tap plus and create memory album, create new event album, like wedding, birthday, travel, convention. You can also join an album. And then you can just add like some photos to existing album, whatever. So for example, if I just take a photo, then I just add it here. It's kind of like a storage for your photos here. Then you just have your account, and then you can super easily delete it to see change the appearance. So super easy app. It's quite cool because they claim that you have a lot of storage here for free, without storage limit. So kind of nice alternative to Google Photos, because recently Google Photos fills up super quickly, and the Google Photos became super aggressive. With they just by default uploading all videos and photos, and they just super quickly you need to upgrade and pay there. Some people bugging. There are some people writing that there are some things crashing and a little buggy, but at the moment that's just what you have here. So try it out. Maybe it will develop in future. It's built by One Life. I don't know which developer that is, but that's interesting.